what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing hibiscus deep conditioner that's great for moisturizing your hair. Now you're going to need some hot water, a mixing spoon or something, a jar to store, and of course your hibiscus powder. So the first thing we're going to do is to measure out the hibiscus powder. It really depends on how much you want to make. This spoon that I have is about a teaspoon size, but I'm gonna overshoot it just a bit so that it'll be about 1 tablespoon size. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my jar, and then I'll add the hot water. So while I do that, I just wanted to run over a few of the benefits of using hibiscus powder in your hair. Number one, it is extremely rich in vitamin C, which is great for aiding in hair growth. Hibiscus powder also combats hair loss by stimulating the follicles and keeping the blood circulation going. It's also very rich in amino acids, which also aid in stimulating blood circulation under the scalp and improving your hair and your scalp's ability to grow. It also conditions the hair by locking moisture into your strands. Another amazing benefit of hibiscus is it prevents premature graying by aiding in melanin production in the follicles. So now that you've added everything in, give it a nice stir. It's going to look like this, and you're going to leave it to sit and settle. Now, because hibiscus is a solid fiber, it will not dissolve in water. So you need to leave it to sit for about, you can leave it overnight, but this is what it will look like after it has been sitting. In my case, it has been sitting for about 6 hours. So you see the separation of the powder and the water that has been infused with the hibiscus. So you're going to strain that out, because it makes no point like adding your deep conditioner in there, right? So I'm using a wine glass because I ran out of mason jars, okay, and I thought it'll look cute, some red wine for your hair. So go ahead and use a cheesecloth, some clean stockings or something, anything that will provide a nice fine sieve so that you don't get any of the settled powder into your conditioner, unless you want to, but girl, we ain't trying to clog no pipes, okay? So just strain it off, just the liquid, pour slowly, and it doesn't matter if you get some of the powder in, because that's the purpose of the cheesecloth. Alternatively, if you don't have cheesecloth, you can just pour it out and be more careful to make sure you don't get any of the stuff in. So now that I've poured all of my infused liquid, I'm of course going to squeeze some of it out of the cheesecloth. We ain't wasting nothing, okay? At this point, I'm going to go ahead and store this hibiscus for a hair mask, because you can still use it. And I'm going to go ahead and use this clean, smooth hibiscus infused water, and I'm going to put it back in this jar and add my conditioner and go ahead. So like I said, we're just going to pour the infused water back into the mason jar, and we're going to add our conditioner. I'm using super cholesterol. You can use any cheapy conditioner that works good for your hair. I love this one. It really works really well. So I'm going to do about 25 pumps of this. It will probably be equivalent to like a half a cup. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. You can use a spoon, but anybody got time to take that long mixing this, because it will take a while. So I have a little hand mixer thingy for mixing cosmetics and stuff. This is great. It is really great. Get you one of these. It only costs like $7. So go ahead and mix everything in together nicely until it's all smooth, and you'll see how it comes together in the next clip. As you can see, this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to mix it up with my spoon. And as you can see, the color, it's really nice and creamy. So you can go ahead and just apply this to your hair. I prefer using my deep conditioners on dry hair so that it will penetrate better, and put a plastic cap over your head and let that sit overnight if you really want to really deep condition, and go ahead and rinse it out. Or you can also shampoo before, but I prefer to deep condition on dry hair overnight. So that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, bye bye.